So hello and welcome to Learn Tech Press. My name is Philip, and if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get started with Tailwind CSS in your HTML project. So first thing, you can create a folder on your desktop. Just here, you can create a new folder. Let's call it HTML. Okay. Now, then you can just go to your VS Code. Then at this point now, you can new new window and all that. So at this point now you can just uh, click on this, then to navigate to where you have your folder that is on desktop. Just click here and then select the folder. Okay, now you have your folder here. You can just go here and then create your index.html, and also you can create a style.css. Style.css. Okay, now after that you need to go to your browser. Let's say you're using Chrome. You can just go there and then type search for Tailwind CSS. Then you'll go to the second link here. This is installation. So it will show you the processes that you need to follow to install Tailwind in your project. Just copy the first one, that is npm install Tailwind. Then go to your terminal on your project. You can paste the command there to install the Tailwind now. Next, you need to initialize now the Tailwind CSS on your project. Just copy that, then go to your VS Code as well. Just wait for a minute to install the Tailwind. Now, after you have installed Tailwind, you can paste the npx Tailwind CSS initialize in it to initialize now Tailwind CSS. Okay, so it will take some time. So this file, you see now this file now Tailwind config.js. Okay, now just go back to your Tailwind and then continue the process. So the next process, you need to copy this. You need to copy this Tailwind config.js. It's almost the same with this one. You can just paste it there. Then because we do not have this folder, you can just remove it. Just remove it up to this point. Now let's do away with it. Now after that, you need to go back to your browser and then continue the process. Copy this. This is input. This on input .css. Go back to your VS Code, then to your styles, where now this is a file now where your styles will be directed to from your index.html. Okay, now after that you need to start and build. These are now the Tailwind and build process. You need to start and build the process. Copy this command, and then on your command here you can just write npm initialize y, that is an hyphen and then y, to have this package.json. So it will create some it will create this file. So at this point we can just replace this one with this the command that you copied there on your browser, that is npx tailwind, this all this, just copy paste it there, and then at this point you can change this one to build. Just change it to build, and then at this point now remove this folder which is about crc. We do not have that folder. Change this one to style where we have our css now, then also remove this. Okay, now at this point now you need to go back to your terminal, and then you can run this command npm run build. Okay, now you'll see now another file here, output.css, has been created as well. So after that, you need to go back to your code or to your browser and then copy this. This is now the file you need to post. You can just, this is a starter file or just an example file that you can to see to check if your Tailwind is working. So after that, you need to click on go live to see if your Tailwind is working, and you can see now the Tailwind is working very nicely. Yeah, you see now the Tailwind is working. So after that, yeah, you can go to if you're trying to learn Tailwind, you can go to their official website, that is Tailwind, and get started. It will show you some examples and how you can get started. As well, you can go to this site. Yeah, it's called Tailwind components.com cheat sheet. Then at this point now you can try to learn different Tailwind stylings. That is borders, things to do with the flex and grade, spacing, layout, and many things. Background tables, interactivity, uh, SVG, you have accessibility, many things. All the CSS is here. So if, let's say for instance, you want to include something like a color to that text, maybe you can search here, uh, text, that is text color. Yeah, you can as well just type color, then you have a text color here. You can just see how to insert colors, how to insert borders and all that. You can just see various ways to do that. Yeah, so let's try to uh, add a color here. Let's say you want to write something like text green, then you can set something like 400. That is the opacity of that color, and you can see now the color has changed and all that. So you can continue working on this. Yeah, I wish you well in your Tailwind. So thank you.